Welcome everyone to my channel. If today is your first time on my channel, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple spinach stew. These are the ingredients that I'll be using: salt, curry powder, extra virgin oil, Maggi cube, chopped onion, shrimp powder, fried fish, chopped spinach. Here I have my tomato, red bell pepper, onion, garlic and Scotch bonnet. Here is my tomato puree. Allow your olive oil to heat up slightly before adding the well chopped onion and stir. After that, add your blended tomato puree. Then leave it on a medium heat for about 14 minutes so that the water from the blended tomato puree can dry. So as you can see, the tomato is dried. I will then add curry powder, salt, Maggi cube, shrimp powder all together. We are going to add our well chopped spinach. Then cover for about 3 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes. We are going to stir to have a good mix. And finally, we add our fried fish. From this point, our spinach stew is ready. I'm gonna enjoy it with some white rice. This is what it looks like, guys. Thanks for watching.